In this video, I'll show you how to install Microsoft PowerToys on Windows. In just a few minutes, you'll unlock a collection of powerful utilities that can help you work faster, organize your desktop, rename files in bulk, extract text from images, keep Windows always on top, and much more. PowerToys is completely free, developed by Microsoft and designed for Windows users who want to get more out of their PC. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who spends a lot of time on a computer, PowerToys includes dozens of tools that can improve your daily workflow. Let's get started. Open your web browser and search for Microsoft PowerToys. The first result should take you to the official Microsoft PowerToys page on GitHub. You can also visit the Microsoft Store if you prefer installing applications directly from there. If you're using the GitHub page, scroll down to the latest release and locate the installer file ending with .exe. Download the installer and wait for it to finish. Once the download is complete, double-click the installer to begin the installation process. If Windows asks whether you want to allow the application to make changes to your device, click Yes. Follow the installation wizard by accepting the license agreement, choosing the installation location if you want to change it, and clicking Install. The process usually takes less than a minute. When the installation is complete, launch Microsoft PowerToys. The application opens its settings window, where you'll find all of the available utilities listed in the navigation panel on the left. Before enabling individual tools, take a quick look at the general settings. Here, you can choose whether PowerToys starts automatically when Windows starts. If you plan to use the utilities regularly, enabling this option is recommended so that features like Always on Top and PowerToys Run are always available. You'll also see an option to check for updates. Since Microsoft regularly adds new utilities and improvements, keeping PowerToys updated ensures you always have access to the latest features and bug fixes. One of the best things about PowerToys is that you don't have to use every utility. Each feature can be enabled or disabled independently, allowing you to customize the application to match the way you work. After installing PowerToys, I recommend starting with a few of the most popular tools. Always on Top lets you pin any window above all others with a simple keyboard shortcut. PowerToys Run gives you a fast launcher for applications and files. Text Extractor allows you to copy text directly from images or your screen. FancyZones helps you organize multiple windows into custom layouts, while PowerRename makes it easy to rename hundreds of files at once. These are only a few of the available utilities. As Microsoft continues developing PowerToys, new features are added regularly, making it one of the most useful free applications available for Windows. As you can see, installing Microsoft PowerToys only takes a few minutes, and once it's installed, you'll have access to an entire collection of productivity tools that can save time every day. In the next video, I'll show you how to configure the most important PowerToys settings so you can get the best experience before exploring each utility individually.